Hey trader, welcome back to mfstrading. A moving average of a price is an essential technical analysis tool. It can determine the market's trend and act as support and resistance. But what if I told you I had found a free indicator on TradingView that is 10 times more accurate than a regular moving average? Trust me, you have never seen an indicator like this before. In this easy-to-follow tutorial, I will teach you how to use this indicator correctly, as well as give you a full trading strategy with it. That is guaranteed to make you a consistent profit. It's worth mentioning that this technical analysis tool can be used for trading cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and forex pairs. The most optimal time frames for this indicator are 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. To install this indicator on your chart, log into your TradingView account and open any market. Currently I am viewing the Bitcoin price chart on the 1-hour time frame. Open the indicators and search for the sentiment range MA created by Chart Prime. This indicator is 100% free. The sentiment range MA indicator offers a dynamic view of market activity, emphasizing stability and choppy market areas, chop zones, and quick adaptability outside these zones. A key feature of this indicator is its ability to remain consistent in choppy markets, filtering out noise to provide a clearer view of the market situation. The indicator shows 3 market phases: bullish, bearish, and consolidation. Now you can easily detect market trends and minimize losses in a range zone. It has more complex calculations than a regular moving average, which means the sentiment range MA gives more accurate signals. Whenever the market is dominated by buyers, the price closes above the line. The moving average becomes green, which makes it a lot easier for traders to read the charts. When bullish momentum slows down and buyers start taking profits, the market enters a consolidation phase. Price often starts forming equal highs and lows. This is the time to refrain from trading. The sentiment range MA highlights these areas in gray. As soon as sellers take control and the price falls and remains below the moving average, the line turns red. In the indicator inputs you can customize the moving average length and sensitivity. I personally prefer setting the length at 40. The main purpose of the double filter is to smooth out the moving average. I recommend setting trigger smoothing to 5 instead of 4. Customizing the range multiplier can affect how the MA reacts to price changes. The higher the number, the less sensitive the indicator becomes to trends. For example, if we set this number to 10, the indicator will become more precise in identifying the market range. Check out how smooth the line has become. Another super useful feature this indicator has is multi-timeframe price analysis. If we go back to inputs and scroll all the way down, we can see a time frame option. To check the market bias on higher time frames, simply select a 4H hour or daily chart. Now we know how this indicator functions. Let's build a profitable trading strategy around it. For this strategy we will need to apply 2 more indicators to the chart. So open the indicators and search for Parabolic SAR with Algorithm and Alerts by Lonesome the Blue. This easy-to-read indicator gives buy and sell signals based on the market's volatility. With the help of our magic moving average, we can easily cancel the majority of fake signals. The general rule says that we buy in an uptrend, sell in a downtrend, and cancel all signals during a range market. These 2 indicators together can already make you profitable. However, I want you to increase your odds of success even further. That's why let's add a 3rd indicator to our setup. Open the indicators again and search for Multi-Timeframe Supply and AMP Demand Zones by Lenny Karu. Not many traders know about this gem yet. You see, any trading strategy is incomplete without supply and demand principles. The truth is, you cannot blindly rely on buy and sell indicators alone, even if they're really good. On the other hand, combining indicators with advanced price action techniques can really enhance your trading decision-making. Before we start using this indicator, let's open its inputs and customize it. The indicator has 2 time frames available for customization. We must disable time frame 2 for our strategy. This will keep the charts neat. In the time frame 1 settings, enable the 2-hour time frame. If you trade on shorter time frames like 5 and 15 minutes, it is recommended to use a 1-hour time frame for supply and demand. Once you're finished with the settings, click OK. Alright, the setup has been built. Let's move on to the exact rules for opening buy and sell trades. The strategy is quite easy so that even a beginner can use it with no problem. However, you must pay close attention to the rules, otherwise you might miss something. We'll start with long trades. In order to decide whether to purchase the security, you must ensure there is an upward trend in the market. An upward trend is present when the price is moving above the sentiment range MA and the line is green. Remember, the moving average should be at least 2 time frame higher than the current time frame. This way we can make sure the long-term bias is strong. If the trend is positive, it's time to wait for a buy alert. Finally, make sure you buy near a demand zone. Never buy at the price at which everyone sells, in other words at the supply. This simple yet powerful principle will save you a ton of money. Set the stop loss below the parabolic SR dots and target a minimum of 2 times the risk. You can even target supply levels. In order to sell the security with this strategy, make sure the market is bearish first. Currently, the 4-hour MA shows signs of a bear market. Your odds are now higher because you follow the trend. Now it's time to wait for a sell alert. In order to confirm the signal given by the parabolic SR, check if the price is close to a supply level. Never sell a security if the price is near a demand level. Set the stop loss above the parabolic SR dots and target 2 times the risk. Traders, if you enjoyed today's video, leave a like to it and subscribe to MFS Trading channel. Good luck for you.